The mission approach. The mission approach. Now, the mission approach, the mission approach is when a groom to be, or let's just say, let me just act this out. Let me just act it out, Mazana. Let me not explain it to you. Let's just say after church, Sanctity Lukshumail, I've blessed you. Amen. I've given you the blessing. Then a gentleman comes up to me and he says, Mfundis, I've been praying for a wife. I've been interceding and I've been praying for a wife. Then I'm gishong it, I know ndodana ngeke sikhulume simile ngesikhuluma lolu daba ojuleka ngaka asihlale phansi ndodana. Asihlale phansi ndodana sikhulume. Then I pray and then he tells me that I'm interested in this particular sister. She prays, she fasts, she seeks the Lord. I mean, and she's everything, or she has everything that I've put on my prayer list. Then I say, okay, you know what? Let me then go and speak on your behalf. So with mission approach, you don't approach the lady. The pastor speaks on your behalf. So I then go as the pastor and I say, hey, woman of God, who wears that nice suit, who dresses very well, who prays very hard, who's a soul winner. He says, no, he has an eye for you. Now I want you to come together. I want you to be the mission approach. I like to call, there are two types. There is mission approach for beginners. Then there is mission approach advanced. When a mission approach for beginners, I would then say, okay, come and meet here at the church. Then whilst he's stating his case. And he states his case before the lady. And then I say, go right, man, you can come in. And then I say, okay, then I come in. Then we tell the lady, go and pray and hear what God is saying about this guy. Then you can marry him. Advanced is when me as the pastor, I am there physically to hear what you are saying to the lady. Gives what to tea in daughter. Let don't show your daughter. Uti in daughter. Go back saying mission approach advanced. I'll be there to support you, my brother. I'll support you. I'll even be behind you and saying, yeah, you're doing good.